Mass timber buildings are revolutionizing the construction industry by offering significant advantages in terms of assembly speed and cost savings. These benefits stem from various factors, including prefabrication, the lightweight nature of wood, schedule predictability, cost predictability, workforce efficiency, reduced need for finishes, energy efficiency, modularity, and durability. These advantages are shown by projects like StructureCraft's headquarters in Abbotsford, Canada. Completed in 2017, this 3,700 square meter facility showcased the incredible assembly speed of mass timber construction by being assembled in just 5 days. This project is a perfect demonstration of mass timber's incredible potential to reduce project timelines while still delivering high quality and sustainable buildings. Prefabrication. The first point that contributes to mass timber's assembly speed and cost savings is prefabrication. Prefabrication allows for higher quality control, resulting in less problems on site. The prefabricated openings and joints eliminate the need for any modifications during assembly. The mass timber components essentially form a building kit or a kit of parts. This reduces the need for high-skilled workers and makes it possible to use workers from a broader selection pool. Lightweight. The lightweight nature of mass timber offers several benefits. It facilitates easier transportation and reduces foundation loads. This allows for smaller foundation sizes, requiring less material and shortening foundation construction times. Additionally, the lightweight nature of mass timber reduces the need for heavy lifting equipment on site. This also makes it possible to work in inaccessible places like mountains, forests, or places where the ground is very soft. Schedule predictability. Mass timber, with the help of prefabrication, allows for very efficient planning, shortening project timelines and minimizing on-site storage. The simplified logistics and minimized on-site storage save valuable space at the construction site. Furthermore, mass timber construction and the efficient planning behind it allow for greater adaptability to weather changes on site, leading to less unforeseen delays and therefore also less unforeseen costs. Cost predictability. One of the most significant advantages of mass timber construction is the reduced likelihood for unforeseen delays. The reduced likelihood for unforeseen expenses leads to more accurate budgeting for mass timber projects. This cost predictability helps avoid budget overruns and allows for more efficient resource allocation. This ultimately saves costs for the project. Workforce efficiency. Mass timber construction typically requires a smaller workforce. It also allows for parallel work, where different sections of the building can be constructed in parallel. This efficiency extends to other trades as well. Plumbers and electricians, for example, can come in and work on the ground floors while the upper floors are still being constructed. Reduced need for finishes. Wood can often be left exposed for aesthetic reasons in mass timber buildings. This option to leave the wood exposed reduces the need for additional finishes, saving cost and time for installation or application. Energy efficiency. Like we mentioned in last week's video, wood possesses inherent thermal properties that surpass those of steel and concrete. This characteristic of mass timber helps reduce cooling and heating expenses over the lifetime of the building. Modularity. The modular design nature of mass timber allows for fast assembly and possible reuse in future projects. By producing standardized components, economies of scale can come into play, leading to faster production times and lower costs. Durability. Although not an immediate assembly speed enhancing or cost saving factor, the durability of mass timber components can lead to less repairs and less replacements, therefore meaning less costs. In conclusion, mass timber buildings offer numerous advantages in terms of assembly speed and cost savings. If you know someone that's not so sure about the cost effectiveness of mass timber buildings, send them this video. That way they'll know exactly how building with mass timber can save costs and improve assembly speeds. If you want to take a look at one of the other benefits of building with mass timber, follow the links in the description. And if you want to learn more about the world of mass timber as a whole, subscribe to this channel.
Stay informed, stay inspired. TimberTalk.